2010. Contents: Introduction, Technique, Discussion, Conclusion, Cross-references, References. Introduction. Conventional pontic designs used in fixed partial dentures, FPDs, such as the modified ridge lap pontic, are designed to facilitate oral hygiene by limiting tissue contact. However, these designs often fail to provide an ideal emergence profile, resulting in compromised aesthetics, phonetic problems, and food entrapment, particularly in anterior regions. The Ovid pontic design provides superior aesthetics by creating the appearance of a natural tooth emerging from the gingiva. This requires soft tissue sculpting using provisional restorations and precise transfer of the sculpted tissue contours to the definitive cast. Conventional elastomeric impression techniques may distort the sculpted mucosa due to tissue compression or collapse after removal of the provisional FPD, leading to inaccurate laboratory information. To overcome these limitations, a customized impression technique is required that preserves the exact peripontic soft tissue architecture. Aim and purpose. Aim: to describe a safe and effective impression technique for fabricating Ovid pontics with accurate reproduction of sculpted gingival contours. Purpose: to accurately transfer peripontic soft tissue contours to the working cast. To prevent tissue collapse following provisional restoration removal. To avoid distortion caused by the impression material density. To enable fabrication of definitive FPDs with optimal emergence profile and aesthetics. Technique: 1. Provisional restoration and tissue sculpting. Fabricate provisional FPD simulating definitive Ovid pontic design. Seat provisional restoration to apply controlled pressure on residual ridge mucosa. Allow soft tissue sculpting and stabilization with adequate plaque control. Achieve ideal gingival contour beneath pontic site. 1a. Occlusal view of sculpted alveolar mucosa. 2. Digital designing of diagnostic denture. Fabricate custom tray using light polymerizing resin. Place non-impregnated retraction code for gingival displacement. Make complete arch impression using polyether impression material. Pour impression with type 4 dental stone. Obtain definitive cast for framework fabrication. Figure 1b. Provisional FPD position inside impression. 3-second visit trine and definitive impression. Fabricate ceramic framework. Example: alumina-based. Evaluate framework intraorally for fit and adaptation. Proceed to customized transfer impression. 4. Customized transfer impression. Seat provisional FPD without provisional cement. Make transfer impression using heavy body vinyl polysiloxane. Remove impression ensuring provisional restoration remains embedded in impression. 5. Silicone cast fabrication. Isolate impression and provisional restoration with petroleum jelly. Inject medium body vinyl polysiloxane into impression. Allow polymerization and remove silicone cast. Trim silicone cast if required. 6. Pontic surface customization. Adapt the framework onto silicone cast. Apply acrylic resin under the pontic using the bead brush technique. Achieve contact between the framework pontic and the silicone cast tissue surface. Gingival contour of the provisional pontic transferred to the framework. 1c. Framework adapted on silicone cast with reproduced pontic site. 7. Definitive transfer impression. Seat customized framework intraorally. Make final impression using heavy and light body VPS simultaneously. 8. Final cast with artificial gingiva. Pour impression using silicone gingival mask material at pontic site. Type 4 dental stone for remaining cast. Obtain cast reproducing exact peripontic soft tissue contours. Proceed with fabrication of definitive FPD. Figure 2b. Definitive restoration placed intraorally. Figure 2a. Cast with removable silicone gingiva. Discussion. Advantages: accurate reproduction of sculpted soft tissue contours, prevents tissue collapse after provisional removal, avoids compression distortion caused by impression materials, provides precise laboratory guidance for emergence profile, compatible with metal or porcelain pontic materials. Limitations: framework fabricated before final gingival contour is fully known, may compromise porcelain support in certain pontic areas. Technique sensitive and requires careful clinical execution. Clinical implications: improves aesthetic outcomes in anterior FPDs, enhances communication between clinician and laboratory, promotes long-term gingival health with proper hygiene. Conclusion: the customized transfer impression technique using the provisional ovid pontic enables accurate transfer of sculpted peripontic soft tissue contours to the definitive cast. This method minimizes tissue distortion, preserves emergence profile, and facilitates fabrication of aesthetic and biologically acceptable fixed partial dentures. When combined with effective plaque control, the technique ensures healthy mucosa and predictable clinical outcomes. Cross-references: introduced modified ovid pontic with reduced labiopalatal width. Combined Jackie's tissue sculpturing with specialized impression technique. Used silicone cast duplication to prevent tissue collapse. Final restoration, Siedicam zirconia FPD. Removal of faulty FPD, Fig 1. Modified abutment preparations, Fig 2, 3. Provisional FPD with modified ovid pontic, Fig 4. Weekly addition of 1 mm composite resin. Tissue sculpting completed at 3 weeks, Fig 5. Custom tray fabrication. Addition silicone impression, Fig 6. Framework trine, Fig 7. Transfer impression with provisional in situ, Fig 8. Silicone cast replication, Fig 9. Relining of framework, Fig 10. Final prosthesis fabrication and cementation, Fig 11, 12. Described cast modification technique for FPDs, non-implant. Prevented gingival collapse after interim removal. Used pattern resin plus silicone injection. Allowed lab to reproduce identical emergence profile.